The planned activities under this year's theme, Reignited, Empowering Youth for Jamaica 60 and Beyond, will no doubt excite you, our young people. As well as our Pond the Ends series. We'll make stops in various locations across the island. I want to encourage you, our young people, to participate in the activities planned for this month. Among these activities are a series of events geared towards making this month pleasant, educational, and empowering for all.